Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to customize this into this. I have an announcement to make. From now onwards there will be a written version of every tutorial I publish on YouTube, which will be available on my website. So definitely check it out if you prefer a blog style tutorial. And if you want more video like this one, then consider subscribing to the channel. And please watch this video till the end, as this is bit tricky if this is your first time. So without further ado, let's start the show. I have already opened this link to written tutorial. I'll be following this for the rest of the video, so definitely check it out. The link is in the description. So step 0. As we are going to work with terminal, we have to download it first. Follow the link on the written tutorial and open it in a new tab, and then click on install button. This will give you a prompt, so click on yes, open. This will further open Microsoft Store application and wait for it to load. Then click on install button. Now let the download complete. As you can see, this may take some time depending on your internet connection, so have a little patience like you do while your project is building. After that, launch the application and close the store app. If you want me to make videos on any specific topic, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And this process also requires Git to be installed on your system. I have already installed. If you haven't installed yet, then follow the link on the written tutorial. Just download it from the link and install it. After you have installed Git, now move to step 1. Copy the first command and paste it on terminal and hit enter. This command will install POSH GIT from GitHub. This is why Git installation is required. And wait for it to complete. Now copy the second command and hit enter. When you run this command, you may get some prompt about downloading and installing stuff from the internet. So follow the prompt appropriately. So say yes to all and hit enter. This may take some time depending on your internet connection, so have patience. The thing is that these modules are just get installed, but they are not configured due to some security reasons. So we will configure it in the next step. With that done, let's move to the step 2. Copy this command and paste it on the terminal and hit enter. This is to check if your PowerShell profile exists or not. If you see this, then you are good to go. Now we will edit the profile configuration file with notepad for simplicity. Copy this command and paste it to the terminal and hit enter. This will open the file with notepad. If it does not exist, then it will create it. As you can see, I don't have that file, so notepad will create it for me. Now copy these 3 lines and paste it onto the notepad. The last line with set theme command is to set the theme on startup. If you don't like the default Paradox theme, you can change it into the following themes in written tutorial. As you can see, there are a lot of themes available. Personally, I like the operator theme, and please let me know what is your favorite theme in the comment section down below. So I will copy the operator and replace it with paradox, and then save it and close. Now if we launch a new tab, you might get this error. This error occurred because you are not allowed to run script by default. But don't worry, we will fix this in a moment. Now let's move on to the final step. Download the Cascadia code font from the link. After you download, open the zip file, extract the file, go to the TTF folder, then static, and install all the fonts. Keep in mind that only Powerline fonts will work properly. I have installed all the fonts. So with that done, we will go to the terminal settings. Go to the little arrow button beside the tab and go to the settings. It may open VS Code or any text editor, but the process is same. Copy this line. If everything is default, you will find the default section. It will be around line number 29 and paste it here. And you can also set the default font size to 14 or whatever you may like. So with that done, close the editor and check if the settings are applied. Type something, and if you see some symbols, that means the font ligatures are working perfectly, which means the settings are applied. Now it's time to fix this problem. Close the terminal and open it again in administrator mode. As you can see, the execution policy is preventing the script from running, so we will change the execution policy to unrestricted. Copy this command, paste it to the terminal and hit enter for the last time. With that done, open the terminal and let me know how it felt in the comment section down below. And definitely hit the subscribe button if it worked for you, and share it with your friends. And let's set the target for 100 likes in this video. Please support me guys, every little things matters to me. And if you want to try different themes, then run set theme command with the theme name and press tab to loop over the themes and hit enter. But this will not set it to default when terminal starts. So to set the theme on startup, you need to change the profile config file that we did in previous step. So run the command notepad $profile with all caps. Just change the last line with set theme command. Let's try with dark blood theme. I'll copy and paste it on notepad, replacing operator theme, and then save it and close. Now open the new tab. As you can see, the theme is applied. You will get this on every startup. I will set back the operator theme. So thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel as more videos are coming, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.